There! Yo, people, Burger King have some straw, you see me? It's like you drink through a friggin' garden hose. 2 sup you take out and your juice done. I want to talk to you guys about twerk fails. You know, like since recently there has been a surge in like internet videos with girls shaking their asses. Not that I'm complaining. I'm sure most of you know what the hell is a twerk video by now. And if you don't know, well, you need to go find out. Fluck. I never just curse. Twerk fail. In this life, I think you need to understand your place. You see, once you understand where you belong, then you will save yourself from certain humiliation. For example, I know I'm good at playing basketball. Basketball is my thing. You will never catch me playing rugby or tennis. I understand my place. But you see, some of them girls, them don't know where they belong. And some of them are put their ass in some place where it just don't fit in. For example, the twerk videos. And when them do that, it's a twerk fail. You have some girl on the scene where I make twerk video. Twerk video, you know, they claim to them I make. When they go to boom on a dance, what did you see a dangle from the tun-tun? The tampon string? I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is them twerking and the string hanging out their asses. Tampon string. Bitch, if you are on your period, do not make a twerk video. Over there twerking and all of a sudden is a little string you see a dangle.
Pop that tampon string. Don't stop. Pop that. Don't stop. Work your tampon string.
What the fuck? Is this bitch twerking with a teabag string hanging from her vagina? Bitch, is that Stuart Little's tail dangling from your coochie? That is a twerk fail. Twerk fail. Then you have some of them where twerk and like nothing now move. Low and board. Bitch, you're not twerking. You're ply boarding. How the hell do you twerk and plank at the same time? Bitches be like, I'm twerking. Twerk fail. That's a twerk fail. I just farted. Then you have the one where you twerk. And you have to ask yourself, are you twerking or are you having a seizure? Somebody put their shoes off, I ain't doing. Bitch, sit your demon-possessed backside. Don't bout your twerk. That's not how you twerk. Twerk fail. Then, of course, you know you have those twerkers when look like say them just have a stroke. You know them girl, like, you know the twerker them I'm talking about. Where one side just fully functional, the other side look like they get 7 doses of anesthesia and that is part of them body and they just can't move. Bitches be like, I'm twerking. I'm twerking, look. I'm twerking. That's not how you twerk. That's a twerk fail. How can I forget the doodle stain twerkers? Doodle stains. You know what I'm talking about? Them girls there when they know how to wipe them ass good, tap in her hat, and a twerk with all the brown stains in them panty. Bitch, that's a twerk fail. Twerk fail! Bitch, you are over here giving tutorials on how to twerk with your shitty body. You do the stain draws. What you should be watching is a tutorial on how to wipe your ass. Twerk fail! Then you twerk diarrhea all over the damn place. Have to be sighting pieces of doodle like in the Matrix. I got hit. Man down. Code 241. Do the stand. Twerk failure. Then you have the twerk fails with the girls who have checkerboards for asses. Yeah, like that's a black, that's a white, that's a black, that's a white. It's like them body are confused. You don't know like which color to be. You see them girl at work and you think it's like the final lap. It look like a goddamn checker flag. You don't know what I feel like, you know, watch their asses twerking or call it with a chest move. J14 to P7. Knight to J12. Checkmate. Twerk fail. That's a twerk fail. Twerk fail. Then you have the girl them with the front back bottom. What me say? Course no blouse and skirt. You can like use their ass to strike a match. Over there twerk with them backside look like the cockpit country. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google the cockpit country. Pause. No cock right here. Except my one. Then of course you have the just running twerk of them where feel like say oh them can twerk and go try something and then all of a sudden them parents running upon them and a beer lick. Girl at twerk, you in there at twerk? Twerk! What do you homework, your RASS. That's all the twerk fails me can think of for now. And even though some of you girls fail at twerking, continue to twerk it. Cause when you twerk it, niggas get to jerk it. When you make it clap, niggas get to fap. Fap, 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 fap. Just make it fap. Do I really need to be telling people that they should subscribe? Because the reason why I made the video after you subscribe. I made the video, so do your part. You like it, you share it, like the Facebook page, follow me on Twitter at Kevin Crazy. If you don't follow me, me gonna come to your house wrong time, and me gonna choke you. Me gonna hold you by your neck, me gonna choke you, me gonna choke your soul. Me hot in another jacket, you see?
Oh, idiot. Yes, man.